Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Gurukul. In this video, let's learn how Excel's if functions help HR and managers analyze employee performance. We will use real world corporate data structures like sales, attendance, and joining date to automate decisions and evaluations. Let's begin. So let's start with the basic if formula. Let's check if employees are eligible for sales based bonus. If they hit 5 lakh or more in sales, they qualify. This is the simplest form of the if function. So let's write the formula in the cell is equal to if. Then our logical test is on sales amount. So select the cell of the sales value greater than or equals to 5 lakhs, comma. If the statement is true, that person should be eligible. So we'll go into the true fields now. And if the sales amount is less than 5 lakh, then it is not eligible. So we will use the quotations and we'll write not eligible. So remember here, if you write any numeric value, you can write it directly. If you write any text value, you need to write it in open quotations and close quotations. So we'll close the bracket here and hit enter. So as you can see, all those who have sales higher than 5 lakhs is marked as eligible, and anyone who is less than 5 lakh is not eligible. Okay, so now let's move one step ahead. Let's automate the employees rating based on their sales performance. This is where nested ifs are handy. The formula evaluates conditions one by one and gives the right category. Nested ifs allow us to write multiple conditions within the formula. So condition here is anyone doing less than 5 lakhs needs some improvement. Anyone doing up to 5 lakh is doing good. Anyone doing up to 7.5 lakh is excellent, and above 10 lakh is outstanding. Okay, let's write formula here is equal to if. So our if condition is on sales. So we'll point the cell value there. Always, if you are writing multiple condition, start with the higher digit first, and at the last we will write for the lower digit. So greater than equals to 10 lakhs. So nested if is after true value. So our true value will be outstanding, and after true value our false value will be another if formula, where now we will say up to 7.5 lakhs. So this is called nested ifs, where your next false value will be based on another if formula. Again, sales value greater than equals to 7 lakh 50,000. So again, we are not going into false statement, we are still in the true statement of the first if formula. So here the true value is excellent. So the false value is again if formula, sales greater than equals to 5 lakh is good. So here my last condition is anything less than 5 lakh is needs improvement. So we will not write a condition for less than 5 lakh. We will simply say after all this condition, whatever amount is left needs improvement. For if formula, we have to close all the brackets for the formula. So there are 3 ifs and we have to close 3 brackets. Again, all the text values are in the quotations. All the numeric values are written without quotations. And we will hit enter. So as you can see, Aarti did excellent and Rakesh needs improvement. Same way Faizan is doing good and Rajiv is doing outstanding. So the nested if formula is a lengthy version of if multiple statement. There is a shorter version of this formula that I will share at the end of this video. Multiple conditions, use and. We will approve bonus only if both the condition matches. So here we have two conditions. Sales should be more than 5 lakhs and attendance should be more than or equal to 90%. So we will use AND formula with if to match this statement. Let's write the formula here, equals to if. Then we will write another logical test. So our logical test will be AND formula. So here we'll give two conditions, and if both the condition matches, only then bonus will be approved. So our first condition is sales greater than or equals to 5 lakh, comma. We move to the second logical test where our second condition is attendance should be greater than or equal to 90%. So remember here AND condition will check both the statements and it will return the answer only if both the condition is matching. So our value if true will be now bonus approved and our false value will be, let's say, not approved. Okay, we'll close the quotes and close the bracket here, hit enter. So we can see here in this case Arti matches both the condition and bonus is approved, where we can see Faizan one condition is not matching, so his bonus is not approved. Sometimes one weak area can raise a concern. In this example, if sales is less than 5 lakh or if attendance is less than 75%, we will write a remark using if formula. So in this example, we will use if and or combination where either of the statement matches, we will get a remark here. So we will use or. Our first logic sales. Sales is less than or equal to 5 lakh. Our second logical test is attendance less than or equal to 75%. So this will close our or statement with a comma, value if true, needs improvement, value if false, good, and with close bracket we will hit enter. So as we can see, Arti matches both the criteria. She gets good remark. Rakesh, sales is low, attendance is high, he gets need improvement remark. So or formula, one of the statement is true, it will give a true value. So we can even use if formula with dates. In this example, let's find out the employees who have joined before 1st of January 2023 and mark them as experienced or new joining. So let's write the formula is equals to if. Here our logical test is on date, so we will select the date cell, greater than or equals to. We will use a date formula here to match our date statement. So date, year value is 2023, month value is January 1 and day is 1. We close the bracket and with the comma, true statement is. So if somebody is joined before this date, should be experienced, mark as experienced. Else, new hire. We'll close the bracket and hit enter. So we can see anyone who is hired before January 2023 or after 2023 is marked as experience or new hire. So here is an homework for you. Find out the employees who have joined between 1st January 2021 to 1st January 2023. Comment down the formula. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. So as promised, here is a shorter version of nested if. So instead of writing multiple if conditions, which is very lengthy formula and hard to understand, we have a simple formula for multiple ifs condition. Let's write the formula. Is equals to ifs will be helping us to write multiple logical conditions, and it will only return true value. The first condition is sales greater than or equals to 10 lakh. The value if true is outstanding. Again, sales value is greater than or equals to 7,50,000. Value if true is excellent. Sales value is greater than or equals to 5 lakh is good. And if statement keeps on checking the true value, so there is no false statements in if formula. So our last condition will be true and our value if true will be needs improvement. So here the last statement is true. This indicates that after all this condition is matched, if no other condition is matched, then we need needs improvement remark as a true value. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So we get the same result as the nested if, and we can see Arti gets the excellent remarks while Meena gets needs improvement. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.